Hello, how are you? I'm Robbie Santos. I'm the director of the Fatima University Gallery. So I would like to invite everyone to visit our gallery here in Valenzuela. We began this gallery because we believe that a Fatimanian education should be holistic. It should not only involve academics, but it should also involve the humanities and the arts. So here in the gallery, we have visual arts and everything in between, from installation art to video art and so forth. So to our community of learners, I would like to invite you to come and take the time to see what we have. First and foremost, for our first exhibit, we have our Fernando Amorsolo and our Gregory Halili shows simultaneous, and I think it is crucial to see because the first show of the gallery coincides with the exhibit of the country's first ever national artist, Fernando Amorsolo. To our students and to our faculty and to our alumni, I would like to inform you that coming here is for free. You don't need to pay for anything if you're a student, if you're a faculty member, if you're an alumnus of Fatima. And we are formally opening our doors to the public, and this is one way of the university showing our goodwill and good service to everyone, not just to our students, but to the general public, to the Filipino public as a whole. So come, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Hi, Fatimanians. I'm Jerry Torres. I'm the curator of the show, Amorsolo, the first national artist, and the other one upstairs, which is called The Oceans That Separate Us by Gregory Halili. I want to invite you to come and visit the Fatima University Gallery because this is, I think, an extraordinary show for your university, and I feel that you guys are very lucky to have this and to have the opportunity to visit this. Amorsolo is our national artist for visual arts, and he was the first to be declared in 1972. So this is your chance to see his works, and I'm assuring you that you will not regret it. Please don't forget also that there's a second show at the third floor gallery. A more contemporary artist, his name is Gregory Halili, but also with very beautiful works. There's an astonishing, complete skeleton made out of corals, which I think you shouldn't miss. So this gallery is meant for you guys. We are going to continue having shows here aligned with your semesters, meaning for each semester, for every semester of Fatima, there will be a new show. So I hope that you will make it a habit to check out this gallery because, again, if I may repeat, you guys are very lucky to have the Fatima University Gallery. Thank you, and I hope to see you here.